Let's start today G test route at Orangeville. Examiner will say make a right turn from the stop sign, give the signal, check the blind spot and make sure one car space and wait for the car to let him go first. Now stop on the stop sign, stop here, don't go move forward, stop on the stop sign, complete, then come a little bit forward, check left, check right. If the car is coming, don't go, okay, keep it like that. Now make a right turn, and now examiner will say again, this is a 40 here, so examiner will say make a left turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot and get in from the beginning. Keep your signal on. And make sure you have a one car space while stopping. So keep it like that and just make sure you check all those mirrors, look around, scan those mirrors, left, right. Just move your head as much as you can. So whenever you get a green, make sure you check the pedestrian, no pedestrian, right? So when it will be green, we are good to go. Make sure you check left, right, and then keep it in the first lane. This is a 80 zone, this is a highway. So first make the 80 speed. Then come to the right by yourself. Now make sure you avoid the traffic lights and it's green. Check left, check right and go. Examiner will ask you here, okay, lane change to the left. When it will save, so make sure you give the signal, check the blind spot. And can you see there is a speed sign is coming 60 ahead. 60 ahead means after the traffic lights we are having a 60 speed. So make sure check left, right on every intersection. And this is a 60 zone. Examiner will say come back to the right, then give the signal, check the blind spot and mirror, come to the right safely. Make sure you don't go more than 60 and don't touch those lanes. Keep it 60, check those mirrors, make sure you check all the mirrors. So stop before the line. Just move your head every time as much as you can. Check left, check right and go. Again, it's still 60 here, so please make it 60. Now examiner will say make a left turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot and the mirror, make sure there is no traffic, it should be the safe lane change. Left turn from the traffic light, give the signal, get in from the wide broken lanes beginning. Check the blind spot again and wait before the line. Check left, check right. Whenever you get a green, go in the middle, yes. And keep your car in little bit in the left, steering has to be straight. And keep your signal on. Whenever it's clear, you can go. Now you can see it's a 50 here, so please keep it 50. Don't go more than 50. Examiner will say make a left turn from here, check the blind spot, give the signal and get in from the beginning. Do not touch this continuity lane. There is no stop sign for us. If nobody is coming from oncoming, please do not stop and make a left turn. Again, it's a 40 here. So don't go more than 40. Check left, check right, look around, check those mirrors. And guys, we are having a stop sign ahead. It doesn't say anything like always, but it is always stop. Please keep that in your mind. Everyone has a stop sign, so pretend it like a always stop. Give the signal to the left and stop. Complete, and we came first, we'll go first. Again, it's still 40 here. Now examiner will say make a right turn. Do not make a right turn on the yellow light. Please wait before the line. Take a complete stop. Pretend it like a stop sign. And nobody's coming, we can go. Make sure while making turns, please check the blind spot. Blind spot is mandatory and it's a 60 zone here. So make it 60. Examiner will ask you, okay, lane change to the left. Come back to the right. Make sure you give the signal, check the blind spot and easy. Make a right turn from the traffic lights. So make sure you give the signal, check the blind spot and mirror. Please get in from the wide broken lanes from the beginning. From here, yes. And we are having a recommended speed here, 30. Don't go less than 30. Okay, it's a black and yellow speed. It's a yield sign. If someone is coming, you should stop. Other than that, just go, no problem. Take it easy. Make sure you check left, right for the all hidden driveways. And second lane is coming, so come to the right lane by yourself. Examiner won't ask you or tell you anything about this. Please keep that in your mind. It's a 50 zone. So stop before the line. Again, check those mirrors. Move your head as much as you can. Keep it like that. Whenever you get a green, please check left, right and then go. Check left, check right, and it's a 50. An examiner will say make a left turn from the upcoming traffic lights. So give the signal to the left, check the blind spot, and then again signal, check the blind spot, and get in from the wide broken lanes, please. Again we need a space, and it should be 1 car space, like that. Keep your signal on. 1 car at a time in the middle, so wait behind the line. Go a little bit in the left, and steering has to be straight. Check the pedestrian and traffic. Now it's clear, we can. It's a 40 again here, so please. So main reason to fail the test here is about speeding. So please, it's a 40, 50 or 80. Please keep it like that. Make a right turn from the traffic signal. Give the signal. Blind spots. Complete stop. Now you can go. Make sure you check the blind spot while making turns. And again it's a 40. Please don't go more than 40. If the car is standing, we can come in the center, that's fine. Check left, check right, make a left turn from the stop sign. This is always stop. We came on the second, so we'll go on the second. Check left, check right, and go. Now still 40, so please keep it like that. Now examiner will say make a right turn from the upcoming street, so please make a right turn from here, and your test is done. So please keep it like that and don't do any mistakes. Follow this all steps and you will pass in first attempt. Thank you so much.